Hey, Coach Stu from CrossFit Northeast. We're going to go into the side of the annex and talk about a piece of equipment that isn't really known by a lot of people and isn't used by nearly enough. It's called the crossover symmetry system, and it's really good for not only rehabilitating shoulders, but also an excellent warm-up tool and cool-down tool that we should be utilizing a lot more. What we have here is a crossover symmetry system donated years ago from Dr. Neil Crane. It is these bungee straps that have a different weight value depending on what color you're using. I always like to start with the lighter bands and work my way up through my warm-ups. It's a pretty simple system. You can either use it at shoulder height or down at knee height. It's a really good way to spend 30 to 45 seconds every day before you come in and to get your shoulders warmed up. Just a really basic and starting system that I like to do before any kind of overhead work is to take out the lowest band, pull it tight, and start to get my rotator cuffs opened up. 8, 9, and 10 of these, adding into full chest opening. Again, 8 to 10 of those. Then we can move into full range from the bottom all the way up to the top. With just a few simple, lightweight exercises, we can really warm up our shoulders effectively as well as cool down after a heavy workout.